Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn how to use Tenten and Maru with hiragana letters. In an introduction video, we learned what hiragana writing system is, and then we learned 46 letters in hiragana alphabet in last videos. I have put the links to those videos in the description box below. If you still haven't watched them, you can take a few minutes to watch them. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Gambarimashou. Tenten and Maru are used with 20 letters of hiragana alphabet. Tenten and Maru are written on the top right side of the letter. We are going to learn these 20 letters today, and let's learn how to write new words using these letters in the end of the lesson. Hajimemashou. First, let's learn how to read these letters. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Za, zi, zu, ze, zo. Da, zi, zu, de, do. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Pa, pi, bu, be, bo. Let's read them again together. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Za, zi, z, ze, zo. Da, zi, zu, de, do. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Pa, pi, bu, be, bo. Now let's learn some words we can write using these letters. Gakusei, student. Ginko, bank. Suguni, immediately. Genki, energetic. Gohan, rice. Arigatou gozaimasu, thank you. Jishin, earthquake. Mizu, water. Shisen, nature. Kazoku, family. Daigaku, university. Jikan, time. Kanzume, canning. Denwa, phone. Doko, where. Bangohan, dinner. Asobimasu, play. Sakubun, essay. Benrina, convenient. Boshi, hat. Senpai, senior. Enpitsu, pencil. Manpuku, full stomach. Pen, pen. This is a katakana word, but I wrote it to complete today's lesson. Samposuru, take a walk. Nihongo, Japanese language. Gambarimasu, do the best. Go kakusuru, pass an exam. Hajimaru, begin. Nichiyobi, Sunday. Let's read them again together without romaji. Gakusei, ginko, suguni, genki, gohan, arigatou gozaimasu, jishin, mizu, shisen, kazoku, daigaku, jikan, kanzume, denwa, doko, bangohan, asobimasu, sakubun, benrina, boshi, senpai, enpitsu, manpuku, pen. Samposuru, nihongo, gambarimasu, gokaku suru, hajimaru, Nichiyobi. Well done! We learned the next 25 letters of the hiragana alphabet today, and we learned 30 words we can write using the letters we have learned. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブしてライクしてくださいね。